Okay, 22. Can someone go get your friends? Now it's 8:30. It seems really early for us, right? Okay. Um, I have checked the has that you done last time, which is good. You all did it. Great job, guys. This class is really great. You are responsible for yourself, which is really good. A great step for P6. Last time we have learned about what is it? Past continuous tense, right? And do you remember how much I emphasize on how they will always telling the time? Let me find out. This one, how they always telling the time at the exactly hour. So the next exercise, they will, having a time on it. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with past and to. Do you remember this one? Like this one, right? We'll just say quarter past. Okay, this one, quarter past. Not like, for example, 3:15, right? We'll just say quarter past 3. Understand? And quarter to, it means like the next hours. The next hours to, you know, in 15 minutes, it's going to be the next hour. So 3:45, we'll just say a quarter to 4. Do you understand? Twenty-two, 25 to as well. This one, right? But I don't think this one it would be, for example, 2:35. So in England or British people, their time system, they'll tell it's 25 to 3. Understand? Because whole hour we have what? How many minutes do we have for the whole hour? How many minutes do we have? Sorry, I forgot to share the screen again. Okay, for the whole hours, how many minutes do we have? Can you tell me how many minutes in 1 hour? Anyone? Wake up yet?
16 minutes.
Very good. 16 minutes, right? So a quarter means 1/4. A quarter means 1/4. Look at this circle, right? This circle is just look like a pizza, right? A pan of pizza. So if I divide it into 4 part, oops, sorry. Okay. That means 1/4 highlighter here. This is 1/4. 1/4 of the time means 15 minutes. But 1/4 of a dollar, dollar, $1 have 100 cents. They call it a quarter. Okay, that means 25. Understand? So, can you tell me what time is it? Can you tell me what time is it? Does anyone know? Look at the long hands and the short hands. The short hands telling the hour, the long hand telling the minutes. And for these systems, telling time systems, you have to tell the minutes before the time. So What do you say? You see the short.
15,
It's
15,
not 15. It's quarter what?
quarter past
A quarter.
10,
Quarter past what? And this one is hour. So what do you say? Quarter past
5.
past 5. Good. This one's quarter past 5, right? Okay, what about next one? What time is it for this one? Here, I'll make it easy for you. It's not 4 o'clock yet, but it's almost 4 o'clock. And in 15 minutes, it's going to be 4. Okay, it's going to be 4. So, what do you say? This one is quarter past, right? If you can see this one, but when it's hit number 9, the long hand hits number 9, it's moved to 2, right? So quarter to the next hour, right? In 15 minutes, it's going to be 4 o'clock. What do you say? Quarter to or past. Quarter to or past. A quarter to 4. Okay, so that's 3:45, right? Like I say, in 15 minutes, it's going to be 4 o'clock. That's why it says quarter to. So this half, okay, this half from 6 to 12, it's a little bit, 6 to 12, it states, it says 2, okay? From 12 to 6, this one say past, the past minute, understand? So now let's do a little test here. Oops, sorry. Oh, what's wrong with it? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Whoop. What time is it? It's supposed to be 10. What time is it?
8:38.
It's what? It's 1:10 or what? It's 10. I like. Oops. What time is it? 10.
14.
10 past 1, right? So that's 1:10. Okay. Whoop. I don't. Why is it? Sorry. One sec. Okay, what about this? What time is it?
20 plus 1.
Good. It's 20 past 1. Alright. And this, oh, sorry, I don't know why. Go away. Okay, here. This one is easy, right? What time is it?
Yeah.
What is it? What time is it?
30 past 1.
This one is 1:30. Okay, don't fall for that. This one is half past 1. Okay, half past 1. Not 30 past anymore. If it's cut into half, you can just say half past 1 because they know that the time has, 30 minutes. 30 minutes mean half of the hour. Okay. Next. What time is it? This one is 1:40, right? So you have to calculate it in your head, like how many more minutes it's going to be on the next hour. So this one is 1:40. So how many more minutes it's going to be the next hour? So what is it? From how many minutes from 8 to 12, guys? Can you count? This one is
20 minutes.
20 minutes, right? So you just put it here, 20, and to the next hour, 2, 22,
2.
yes, 22, 2, good. Okay, oops. Okay. What time is it? It is 2:45, right? What time is it?
9:40.
9 what? Not 9. Look at the clock. This one is a long hand, right? And this one's shorthand. The shorthand is, I'll move away the minutes. I'll move away the minutes. The shorthand is pointed at 2, almost 3. So it makes 2:45. So what do you say?
15 to 2.
Almost, except we don't call it 15, right? We call it a quarter. Remember? Quarter to, Dan, one more time. Can you say quarter?
45.
Quarter to,
2, 3, 3.
good. Quarter to 3.
A quarter to 3.
Very good. So you got it. So on this side, I'm not sure, on the left hand side, it's about the minutes that are going to be the next hour. On the right hand side, it's the minutes that already passed that hour. Understand? Okay, last one. What time is it? It's 3.
3:25.
Right, it's 3:25, but can you write it in the system that?
25 past 3.
Very good. 25 past 3. Good job. Okay, so I think you got a glimpse of it, right? You know how to tell the time. Because the next exercise is about Rav. Okay, it's about Rav. He's doing these activities, and you see all the activities already in the box here. So you have to fill up the sentence in each items, right? For example, number 1, at 6:30. Half past 6, it's 6:30. So it's somewhere around here. He was playing on the computer. Okay. And so on. So
What page?
oh, sorry, page 45, activity book. I forgot. Thank you, thank you for reminding me that. Page 45 on the activity book. Go ahead and do it, okay? The thing is, you have to be able to read the time.
Teacher, I'm finished now.
Okay, are you finished?
Yeah.
Everyone's finished? Okay. How about the rest of the class? Good? Okay, let's do it. Number 2, at 5:15. 5:15. What time is it? 5:15. 5.
5:30.
5:15. Right? So 5:15 is around here. So what is it? At 5:15.
He was doing his homework.
Good. He was doing his homework. Don't forget was doing. Okay, his homework. Has to be ing only. Okay, next one. At 7 o'clock, right? Everyone knows what's 7 o'clock. It's around here.
He was having a tea.
Good. He was having tea. Okay. And that doesn't look like tea at all, right? That looks like a meal because in England, people consider tea as dinner. Have you ever heard of the low tea and the high tea? Low tea is
Yeah. Yes.
right. Low tea is something like back in the day, lower class people, working class people call dinner as lunch. And the higher society people, a higher level people, they would call lunch, and then dinner, right? And then as the time go by, they gradually, um, you know, use lunch, and then the working class, they've been working all day, and after lunch they need something, a little snacks to have before dinner. That's mean the snacks between, it's called tea, and normally normally it's the light tea, the light meal for them. It is the light meal for them to eat before dinner. However, for the rich people, they would just call a high tea, and a high tea, that's mean extravagant meals, everything said and done. That's mean like a fancy dinner. That's the high tea for. So this is like, you might be confused seeing him eating food and say he was having tea. Tea is not a drink, guys. Tea is just like another meal or a light meal in England. Okay, number 4, 5:45. What time is 5:45? Do you know what time is 5:45? That's mean in 15 minutes it's going to be 6 o'clock. So is it 6 o'clock now? No, it's not 6 o'clock.
No.
In 15 minutes it's going to be 6 o'clock. That means 6.
5:45.
Good. That means 6:45. So around here. So what does he do? What was he doing? He
Was playing football.
he was playing football. Next one. At a quarter to 5. Same thing. At a 5:45, it's 5:45, right? What about 4:45? What time is 4:45?
4:45.
It's 4:45. Good.
He was riding his bike.
He was, oops, sorry. He was riding his bike. Good, because this one is 4:45. Okay, do you understand? Check your writing, check your spelling. How do you spell doing? How do you spell having? Make sure that you cut the E out in having. and writing, right? Cut the E out and then add it ing. Make sure you have was before the ing every time. Next, let's move over at the bottom of the page. This one is exercise 5 on the lesson 5. Do you still remember the story where the children went to the play? Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. However, I'm gonna let you listen to it one more time and you have to, finish the sentences.
Listening 2.7. Listen and read. Murder mystery. The children are late for the play.
Ha ha! We've got the last tickets. What do we do now? Quick, this way. In this door. Is it okay to go in here? Yes, my mum knows the manager.
It's the last scene of the play.
Mrs. Bridges, where were you last night?
I was here, sir.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock?
I was cooking the dinner.
And what about Agnes? What was she doing at 8 o'clock?
She was with me, sir. She was cleaning the kitchen.
There's only one person with no alibi.
Mr. Pitt! Mr. Pitt killed Mr. Trent! Mr. Pitt? Oh, no!
Brilliant! We've got the answer! Shh! Oh no! I can't get a signal for the phone. Wait, Meg. The play isn't finished.
No, you're wrong. Mr. Pitt was with me.
Aha! So, Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Outside the theatre.
Oh no! It wasn't Mr. Pitt.
You were too quick.
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
That's correct.
Okay, anyone want to listen to it one more time?
No.
Okay, all right, go ahead. By the way, Sha'am number 20, I didn't see your work at all. 4 assignments, I didn't see you had it in, like not even one. So number 20, Shame, can you please just hand it in? There are like the essays, I haven't seen it from you. Adding the ing, have to, has to, and past continuous. Sha'am number 20, I can see you there. So please acknowledge it and then start doing your work, because I didn't see you doing it at all. Okay, are you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 1, the Red Wolves had the last ticket of the play.
Last ticket for the play
The children went through,
went through the stage door. The street.
good, the stage door. It was the last scene
Of the play.
of the play. The detective was asking,
was asking question.
Good, was asking questions. Mr. Pitt didn't.
Kill Mr. Trent.
Which one is it? C or F? Kill or killed?
C.
C, right? This is the applied to the past simple rules. If you know the past simple that I taught you back on the first semester, you'll know. Number 6. Mr. Pitt was with
The detective at 8 o'clock.
very good. Mr. Pitt was with the detective at 8 o'clock. Millie. Whoops, why did I do that?
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Good. Millie killed Mr. Trent. And the last one, the Red Wolves had
The wrong answer.
right. The Red Wolves had the wrong answer. Good job. Okay. Do you understand what's going on today? Today we have learned
Yes.
right, and then we review back on the stories, which is good job. So this class is really good. You have done all your work, and only a few people who haven't done it. Please do it. And if you want to know what kind of work that you haven't done it yet and you can't check on it, just let me know. Okay, I'll check it for you. So today, that is it. No homework for today. I just want you to be clear of everything and get ready for the next lesson tomorrow. All right? Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher Dennis. Bye.
Teacher Jane.